of Kevin Care. So he actually left me and went. So very sad, but what to do?
Yeah. Okay, so this is another part like image segmentation. Okay, so what does that means? Like, so for example, if you are having an image like the same colors 255, 255, 255, only those colors will be the right. And what you are going to do is like you are having one particular person or kid playing in a park. Okay, so in a park background you could see like some grasses and sky and one person and one ball. So these are the things will be there. The segmentation, what it means like you are going to differentiate each and every object from that image. So that is called segmentation. So you are going to identify this person and this is ball. It's not like this is ball. We are just going to identify one object is there. Okay, so we are not going to identify what that object. That is totally different. Okay, segmentation is different and detection is different. Okay, identification is different. So when what will happen in the image segmentation? So here what we are going to say, we are just clustering. So anyone knows about the cluster concept in machine learning? Anyone studied clustering? No. Okay.
I studied it.
Okay, so the clustering concept is like we are just grouping the images. So when I say grouping the, not images, we are grouping the similar pixels. So for example, in a real time, for example, you and you are like, spending the same amount of money in some retail industry. So what will happen, the customers, so for example, these are the customers who are spending low and these are the customers who are spending high. So that kind of customer grouping, we will call it as clustering. And when it comes to students, the students who got marks less than 30 or something, we can call it as like not studying good or something. And above 50 are like average students. And after some 70 or something, it's bright students or something. So we are just forming the clusters, right? So like that, in an image, to differentiate each and every object inside an image, that is called segmentation. To segment, what we are doing is we are just grouping the colors. So for example, one particular ball is in blue color in between some grass. So what will happen? The blue colors are formed into one cluster because they are all close to each other. The color values are close to each other. And the green colors are grouped into one another cluster. And like that, the sky is a blue color means that will be grouped into one other cluster. We'll have some examples later. And when it comes to the feature detection, so again it's like a corner detection. So previously we saw about the edge detection, right? Edge detector, the horizontal and vertical lines. So like that, this is a corner detection. So when it comes to the segmentation, every object can be in any shape. It's not like a square or rectangle, right? So we need some round corners, curl corners like will be there, right? So those kind of detection, we will apply this Harris corner and shift. Yeah. So here we can see the segmentation example. So these are the different buildings. So it is showing like different colors with the different buildings. So for example, here you can see with the kind of the edges, it differentiated into 3.
Okay. So you remember I told you the story about the hero?
Just 1 second. So whatever we saw previously, that's related to the traditional machine learning. Okay, so now we are going little bit advanced concepts.
Okay, so the hero actually brought us the advanced concepts. Okay, so his name is Alex Krichevsky. He was a grad student, as I said. So what he did was he's sitting at home and he had 2 GPUs. And using 2 GPUs, he basically brought AlexNet, which is the first convolution neural network. So when I say convolution neural network, it's basically what it's doing is, I'm just like, as simple as possible. So you remember I told you kernels, it restores the same image back. So he thought, what if I just keep doing that until for a very long time? Like, let's say I take the kernel on an image, make the same image, but I make it a little smaller and smaller and smaller. What will happen? So that's what he thought. So he made this, and they never thought about this before. So it was a classification model. So I will probably go through that, but the other methods is just a more advanced and faster technique, which he didn't think about. So that's why he's the hero of today's story. He's also considered to be the father of AI right now because he started this revolution. Okay, so yeah, region proportional network is a very simple concept. They took AlexNet and they said, okay, what if we use AlexNet but only for one particular area? And they got good results, and they said, okay, let's take lots of areas.
Defi 200. Congratulations, Karan. Second prize goes to Deep X. Deep X. You'll get your cash prizes through the bank account, so don't feel bad for that. Okay, we have the certificates now. You'll get your cash prizes soon. Second prize goes to Deep X. Congratulations, Deep X team. Any guesses for the first prize? Any idea? Yes, congratulations, Infinite Loops. Next, we'll move to the participant list. Please get ready. The first team is HACKZEN AI. Please collect your participant certificates. The second one, Team Nova. Come fast, please. Third one, Vision Craft. You can cheer the audience, you can cheer the participants. Audience, it's your duty to cheer your friends. They have given their whole day, for 2 days in this. Team Rasmala, Team Leo, please come fast. I request the participants to stay here itself so that we can take the group photo at the end. Participants, all the participants will get the group photo at the end. Team Code and Copper, Team Vision GPT, Team Infinite Loops. Please collect your participant certificates. Come fast. Yes. Now, it's not only participants. We have 2 more prizes as a special mention. Okay, it's a special place. And the first one, it goes to Crop Vision. Crop Vision. Please come fast. Their work was also extraordinary. So please put your hands for them.